Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to adjust the screen size of a projector. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, we have this projector. Now there are essentially two ways to adjust the screen size. The first way, and this is probably the easiest way, is to take the projector and actually move it away from the wall or towards the wall. Now, if you bring the projector away from the wall that you're projecting on or away from the screen, that's actually going to make the screen size bigger, okay? If you bring it towards the wall or the screen, it's going to make the screen size smaller, okay? So you can make the major adjustment like that. So you can sort of bring it towards or away from the wall. Then once you've done that, you can move on to the second way, which is to sort of fine tune it, which is to use the zoom feature. So you can see right here, there's a T and then there's a W, okay? When you move it in one direction, it's gonna be zooming in, the screen, making the screen bigger, and then the other way is going to be sort of zooming out or making the screen smaller. So T usually means to zoom in, so it's going to increase the size of the screen as far as I remember, and W means to zoom out, which is going to decrease the size of the screen. So what you can do is you can move the projector, as close or as far away as you want it to be. Then you can go here and you can make this adjustment over here. Most projectors will have this option. Now you will have to adjust the focus once you've changed the screen size, and that's what this other knob is for. This other knob is the focus knob. So you want to first get the screen size to where you want it to be. Then, like I said, move the projector to where you want it to be. Then you want to adjust this knob to make the screen as big as you want or as small as you want, that it can allow from the distance that you've set your projector at. And then you want to change this knob right here, which is the focus, to make it nice and clear and focused and sharp. You want a sharp image. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.